Everything you need. Set includes 2 targets with score trackers, 6 rubber bolos, carrying case and rules. Fastest assembly. PVC targets are pre-glued so assembly takes under 2 minutes, compared to 10+ minutes for competing sets. Kid-friendly. Soft rubber bolos are kid-friendly and great for indoors, and the extra thick string prevents tangles. Premium CONSTRCUTION. PVC tubes are 50% thicker than the leading economy set. PVC has been upgraded as of August 2017. Ladder toss game. GoSports Ladder Toss is a classic lawn game where players compete to score the most points by tossing and wrapping their bolos around different rungs of the opposite ladder. Each tier ranges from 1 to 3 points, so aim for the top to score the most points. Play 1-on-1 or in teams of 2 for multiplayer competition. Easy to use and kid-friendly. Perfect for families. Unlike other ladder toss games with hard golf ball bolos, our game includes soft rubber bolos that are safer for kids. The softer material is also great for indoor play during rainy weather or game night. New and improved edition. We've upgraded our game. The PVC frame is now 50% thicker than comparable sets, making it sturdier for gameplay. Best of all, our new durable design ensures that your ladder is long-lasting and won't warp on hot summer days. Top reviews from the United States. Great game, even better customer service. I purchased this product to use at our wedding reception as we were having a few yard games. Everyone loved it. Recently, when we were using the game, a player had lost their balance and stepped on one of the games, breaking a few pieces. I contacted GoSports to see if I could get replacement parts. Their customer service is amazing. They responded to each email in a very timely manner, and sent replacement parts out in no time, coming in the very next day of being shipped. After receiving the replacement parts, one of the bars did not fit properly with some of the original parts. Not looking for anything more, I contacted GoSports to see if they had any suggestions on how to make the pieces fit. Instead of sending out a new part again, GoSports actually replaced the entire set. And again, was delivered the very next day. I cannot thank GoSports enough for their amazing customer service and for standing by their product. Thank you.